things are dry and quiet on radar, but a muggy and warm day ahead, even though we're not seeing a whole lot in the way of sunshine. Expect to stay dry through midday, really through the afternoon. I expect we're still quiet, but we're watching for some storms, strong to severe storms, as we get into tonight by late evening, but especially later on tonight. A couple things we're watching. There is a complex off to the north, so that's area number one. But area number two, which I think is of greater concern, is the one back west. That's ahead of a dry line. We're going to be watching places like Abilene, back around closer to the Panhandle, near that dry line, as we expect some development by late this afternoon. Those storms will be racing this way as we get into tonight, and that's where our severe threat will lie. So let's put this into motion, and you can see 2 o'clock still doing just fine. We push it into late this evening, 8 o'clock. I think we could start to see some of those strong storms on the leading edge for Breckenridge, back around Jacksboro, and then a little bit further to the east, moving this way closer to the Metroplex by 11 to 12 o'clock. So the timeline has pushed back just slightly. It looks like a little bit more of a late night event now. Then the storms continue to weaken as they shift east of I-35 in the pre-dawn hours on Saturday. So by Saturday morning, severe threat's done. We're not done with the rain, though. That area of low pressure, that upper low, it's going to hover across the area. It's actually going to slowly push off to the northeast, taking with it the heavy downpours, especially east of I-35. That will be the focus during the day for Saturday, especially Saturday afternoon and into the early evening. The concern tonight, this is what was adjusted a few hours ago, is that we could see some winds of up to 70 miles per hour or greater. The main area to watch is going to be just west of I-35. So you can see that enhanced risk. It's a 3 on our scale. It is to cover the threat for those damaging winds. And again, that would be late evening and into around midnight or just thereafter. The rain chances going up pretty quickly. By the time we get to about 10, 11 o'clock, we're talking an 80% chance for storms across the area, and they will continue on into the overnight period, but we will lose that severe threat. Waiting on the storms, it's humid, it's gray out there, but still awfully warm, 78 degrees for now. Pollen count on the higher side today, but here's some good news. It goes down tomorrow thanks to the rain in our forecast, and we'll keep that rain out until we get into tonight, of course, with temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 today. A cool down on the way for Saturday.